terrifying forest.
Hey, it's good to see you, Purpley in the terrifying forest.
Yeah, what do you think we should do today, Reddy?
Let's go on an adventure.
An adventure? That sounds so much fun.
I wonder what we're gonna see.
I don't know, but I'm excited. Oh no, there's Cyclops! What should we do, Reddy? Oh, what a great idea! Hide behind the purple tree. Hey, guys.
No need to be afraid. We're just Cyclops. Who are you?
I'm Purpley. I'm ready.
It's so nice to meet you guys. We're Cyclops buddies. I'm Cyclops 1 and this is Cyclops 2.
Hello.
What are you guys doing today?
We're going on an adventure.
Ooh, can we go with you?
Yes.
Excellent. Let's go on an adventure. All right. I'm so glad you let us come on the adventure, guys. Hey, what's that over there? What do you see, Reddy?
A plant monster?
A plant monster? Oh, no!
And, it's your turn to defeat the plant monster.
Oh, Cyclops, that's what we do. We can do that. How are we going to do it? I don't know. What do you think we should do? I don't know.
Just tear off his mouth and take off his eyeballs.
Wow, that's harsh. Okay. The plant monster has been defeated, yeah!
No, I can be your house.
Oh, we can live with you, plant monster? You're not mad at us?
No.
Okay, you can just be kind of scary sometimes.
Yeah.
Are you a lonely plant monster?
Yeah.
Okay, let's be friends. Yay!
Now let's live in me.
Yay.
The end.